Now, we had told you over the last couple of weeks about some of the new Missouri laws that were set to go into effect, and one of those that took effect on Wednesday, August 28th, was Valentine's Law, also known as 575.151 RSMO, and this is Valentine's Law that says anytime somebody flees law enforcement, that they're going to be held to the highest extent of the law. Now, there's varying degrees of this, but Camden County prosecutor officially filed charges after receiving the PC statement, and Wehmeyer is being charged with a Class A felony, aggravated fleeing a stop or detention motor vehicle causing a death. Now, as I said, the arraignment was in Camden County Associate Circuit Court on Tuesday. Leading into the arraignment, Judge Heller Miller had denied bond, and if Wehmeyer is found guilty, he will be facing a minimum of 10 years in prison with a maximum of 30 years, not to exceed life in prison.
Yeah.
So, and this is a 23-year-old young man who no previous record, no charges, and you know, this decision has cost a family, their mother, six children without a mom, and a husband without his wife to pick up the pieces. And so that decision will obviously come with consequences, but none greater than living with that for the rest of your days and knowing.
23 years old, to make a mistake like that. You know, when we were all 23, we were all very stupid, made mistakes, you know, and sometimes mistakes that would have been very, very bad like that. But, you know, by the grace of God, we didn't get stuck with those. This kid is now stuck with this, and it's obviously going to affect him for a long time. And it is so tragic. But you're right. I mean, he could go to jail, and maybe the biggest piece of that in his thing is knowing that he's responsible for the death of a mother of 6 children. And, you know, I mean, it's so hard.
Nobody wins here, and we continue to keep the Osage Beach Police Department, the Carson family, and again, everybody who is affected by this tragic happening in our thoughts and prayers. Just heartbreaking, and we'll continue to follow this case. I mean, you alluded to the fact that it's a national case, being the first time that Valentine's Law is going to be utilized or be tapped into. You're seeing CNN, Fox News, New York Post all cover this, and so we'll continue to keep you posted. But just never fun, these type of stories, and it was the first time in Osage Beach Police Chief Todd Davis in his 30-plus years with the department. This is the first line of duty death by a Osage Beach police officer, so just heartbreaking.
Yep.